asked me to come up with something for ShortCircuit that would be like a Christmas present for you.
For me?
I'll show you what I came up with.
Okay.
I thought us working together on an unboxing of this would be a lot of fun.
What? Are you serious?
It's a fiber optic.
Did you actually get this?
Light up LED halter bra.
Did you actually spend money on this?
Why don't we start unboxing things?
Did you wrap this?
No.
Okay.
I mean, I can wrap. They wouldn't let me do the halter bra thing. They thought it was too not safe for work.
Thank you guys, that would have been brutal. Okay, instant camera and photo printer. Wait, don't we have one?
We are doing a roundup of instant cameras.
Okay.
So we're gonna play around with them, try them out,
Okay.
see what's good and what's not so good.
This one looks cool. It's shaped like a little battery.
Yeah, and Kodak still exists. Who knew?
Okay, it's
Shaped like a little battery?
It's a lot bigger than a little battery.
What is it shaped like?
A battery.
Hold on.
Look.
Don't get caught up on the color scheme. No, you're getting caught up on the color scheme.
You have to see the color scheme in order to
No, you
understand
don't.
why I said that.
No, I'm telling you, you don't need to see the color scheme to know what it's shaped like. What's it shaped like? Come on.
A lens.
You're making me feel old.
What?
It's a film canister.
Oh.
Remember they have the opening in the side where the film comes out
Yeah.
and you put it in the thing and pull the thing into.
Okay.
You're my age.
Film canisters were green and black. Oh, good. It doesn't print immediately. That's nice. Because the one that we have, the minute you take a picture, it just prints everything.
Yeah,
So if you
Polaroid
take
style, Instax. This reminds me of my first digital camera. How laggy that display is. Here, hold on. Let's have an actual thing there so you could. I mean, it's a cute form factor though.
I'm gonna take a photo of you. Okay.
Okay.
Do you like my photo?
I love your photo. Let's print it. Okay,
Whoa.
hey, here we go.
Oh, it's a
Wait,
sticker?
it prints stickers?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
that's
cool.
super cute. Oh, it's
this
black and
reminds
white.
me of those photo booths. Do you remember?
Do
Where
I
you would-
remember photo booths? Those are still a thing.
No. Where you'd go into the Asian mall and then there would be all these cutesy little stickers that you could print.
Okay, let's take a picture. Okay.
How's it look?
Wow, I took that at completely the wrong angle. So can you get color?
Is it? Yeah, I was just
No,
gonna
you
ask.
cannot get color.
It's only black and white?
Wait, why
Yeah.
does it show a color image here then? Why wouldn't it show black and white so that you...
Does it also have an SD card so you can like get the pictures off it? This is kind of,
That's kind of cute.
I was gonna say
You
it's
can make it
kinda,
a printer though. If you connect Bluetooth to it, you can print out any picture
you
from
can
your.
print in black and white though.
Yeah.
Okay, no, seriously, why can't you connect this to a color printer and have it print color?
But that's not a vibe. This is a vibe.
Okay, actually, I'm curious about the sticker quality, and I'm curious how much the sticker refills cost. It doesn't seem that sticky.
Here, replace this stupid picture.
No,
What? Why? It's awful.
because this is what young you looks like. And now you can have a side-by-side comparison.
I have two things I want to say about the price. First, I'm gonna say if it's any more than 50 bucks, then you're getting ripped off. And second, I'm gonna say that it costs 120 bucks.
I was gonna guess 100 USD.
$39.99 USD.
Oh,
Really? Okay.
9 roll is about $19.99.
Okay. At
Oh,
least
wow.
it's cheap.
Okay.
At 7 cents a pop, this is something I'd actually be able to use without feeling like, oh no, is it worth taking a picture of this? Also, we're both idiots. We were using this shutter button. There's one here.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, what's next?
The second one is from today's video sponsor, dbrand.
Oh no. Oh, it's wrapped also in a dbrand skin. And of course, they're promoting their own crap instead of our collaborative ShortCircuit or glow circuit skin.
Oh, I still can't believe you guys didn't go with the white on white. It looks so good.
Oh yeah, Yvonne has a prototype of the circuit skin that
I don't think you can see it.
dbrand never made. Yeah, so Yvonne just like hacked together a skin
Yeah.
for her phone from the white on white glow.
But it looks so good.
Let dbrand know at shortlinus.com.
Well. Okay. We got this.
Oh wow, that was a lot of packaging just to get an Instax camera.
Okay, wait, this is really creepy. Do you
Oh, these are
recognize
pictures
this?
from our house.
Yeah. Who walked in? Did dbrand?
Oh, it must have been Sammy.
What?
Is that why you were at our
Yeah,
house
that's why he
today?
was at our house. Just taking pictures of the inside of our basement fridge. This is my soda methadone, by the way. I actually hate bubbly, it sucks. But it's a lot better than getting fat. So I drink bubbly whenever I crave a soda. If you guys wanna check out dbrand skins, which as you can see are very difficult to get off of things, but to their credit, do come off cleanly when it is time to swap them out for something new, like, oh, I don't know, say Glow Circuit. You can check out dbrand skins at shortlinus.com. We have one of these.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Or a very similar to this one at home. It's fine, I guess. Yeah, so you do that and that opens it up and then you can take a picture like that. The mirror kind of sucks.
Yeah, it's tiny. Oh,
Yeah.
I wasn't ready. Okay.
I mean, does it matter?
At least this one prints in color, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
But the cartridges are flipping expensive.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah, not the most flattering photo.
I will say that the fun of waiting for it to develop and looking at it together is a huge advantage to this particular format. But the fact that it's like 10 shots in a package and these packages are like, aren't these like 20 bucks or something like that? Sorry, 12 bucks. Either way, we gifted our daughters one of these like
a few years
ago, and they've only gone through a few packs of them because on like kid allowances, buying refills just doesn't make any sense.
That is insanely expensive.
This in color is my sweet spot because this cost what? 7 cents a shot?
Oh yeah, 7 cents a shot.
And this was
$1 something.
$1.12, yeah. So I want this to cost 3 times as much and be in color, but let's see what else we get today. Okay.
Ooh, LTT corkboard?
Yeah, it's for people who collect like our pins and stuff, or just want a corkboard that's expensive.
Oh, I didn't know we had this.
Yeah.
That's cool. Boop. Okay.
All right, what are we looking at? Oh, actual Polaroid brand.
I was gonna say the exact same thing.
Oh, I'm sorry, go ahead, you do it.
Actual Polaroid brand.
Wow, good job. Oh, and it's even in the Polaroid like form factor, but tiny. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so you gotta power it on. It's got a digital display for how many shots are left. That's kind of nice compared to the Instax, which works more like a disposable camera. Oh, that's cool. The mirror for selfies is actually just two-way glass for the lens for taking pictures. Okay, I'm gonna take one of you. Ready?
That's awkward.
I don't know if that worked. I can't. It says it's down to 5.
Does it take a while to come out?
Do we have more film?
No, that one is like a proprietary one.
I blame Sammy. He broke it before he gave it to us. It's out, it's done, it's empty. Sammy, you took all the pictures before you even gave it to us.
I took 2 photos.
Okay, well, either way, I'm gonna guess that this is like 150 bucks and the cartridges are like 20 bucks.
It's $68.32 USD.
Okay.
16 shots is apparently $28, so price per photo is $175.
Okay.
Whoa. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so I think it is normally a cartridge of 8.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so it's probably 14 bucks a cartridge and it's cartridges of 8 then, because the counter says 8
Yeah.
when you load it, when you reload it. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. If Sammy's pictures are anything to go by quality-wise, not to mention the fact that it uses a proprietary form factor when you can get like knockoff Instax film for cheaper, this is pretty hard to justify even if the camera is a little cheaper.
And I think the photos are even smaller than the
They are.
Instax, right?
Yeah, they're smaller.
Which sucks.
This really seems like a fail. See you later, buddy. Maybe the problem is the way you're opening them. Maybe I should open it.
What? No, it is not. Maybe it was from you like twisting and turning it while it was printing.
Another Polaroid. The Now Plus Instant Camera Generation 2. This looks really expensive.
Wow, it's really big.
Well, yeah, it's just like an old school Polaroid camera. And then what's this? So you can carry around your filters. Red filter,
Sure.
yellow filter. Other more yellow filter.
That's orange.
Well, look, do I do colors for a living?
What is that? Let's do that.
Fun filter. Okay,
Just checking. Wait, it's not on properly.
sorry. Says 7 shots.
How can you see? The mirror or camera in this one's not as good.
Dude, this one's gonna be
Sure.
super expensive.
120?
I am gonna say 135. And then I'm gonna say that the pictures are gonna be like 15 bucks for a pack of 8. I think they're gonna be really expensive.
I'm gonna go with $1.60 per photo.
So Yvonne was spot on for the price. It's $119.99.
She said 150.
No, I changed it to 120.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, dang it. Well, then I ended up guessing the same thing as you, didn't I? Did I say 120?
No, you said 135.
Yeah, you said
Did I say
135. Yeah.
Oh, I thought I was guessing under her. Oh, well.
16 shots is apparently $35, so it's about $17.50 per a pack of 8.
Okay, so it's over $2 a photo, and you can't even see the photo before you print it. And the selfie cam or mirror was terrible. Like you can't really see that. That's really expensive to just like trial and error get something.
I mean, that's why even though Polaroids existed when we were kids, nobody used them because
yeah.
they were stupid.
Yeah.
And they're just as stupid now, but they're like retro stupid, trendy stupid.
I don't know. The only time that I feel like these are worth doing are at places like a wedding or at graduation or whatever, where it's just like, it's not necessarily about capturing the moment. It's more about just doing something together.
Right, yeah. Because if you want to capture the moment, you're better off with like
a proper camera.
or a professional
Yeah.
who's going around like getting good pictures.
Oh, this looks more modern.
Ooh, Leica. The Leica sort of. SOFORT.
Hybrid instant camera.
10 lens filters plus 10 film filters. What's a film filter? You can use it as a printer. You can print from your phone. You can take shots and save them to your phone. So this like actually has functionality, which is nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh wow. This thing is a fingerprint magnet. Cool, got a nice little lens cover here. Got your flash, got your phone.
Oh, that's bright.
Oh, interesting. The interface defaults to like a vertical orientation, but then everything is kind of Okay, I'm just gonna take this off.
Okay.
Look, I'm not trying to. There's another shutter button somewhere, I think. Okay, there's one here. There's one here.
Here, how leggy is this one?
Oh, way better.
Yeah.
That's like modern. I feel good about this one. I feel really good about, oh, what's this? Is this to?
That's the print.
Oh, cute. Okay, so that would normally be a film advance, but they've just gone and taken that mechanism and made it that. Okay. All right, you ready? Okay, did we take a picture? Oh. Wow, the camera quality is too good. We look old, dude. Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. It pushes your picture out and everything.
Does
so
it use
this
the
just
same
uses Instax film.
You want to guess the price?
It's Leica, it's not gonna be cheap.
Okay, how much is a normal digital camera? Like not a hybrid, maybe like 100 to 150 USD?
Oh yeah, I guess the hybrid functionality. So like just having just a cute little Leica digital camera that you can actually offload pictures from. Is there an SD card? Yep, micro SD. Okay, there it is.
Okay, I'm gonna go with 145 USD.
I'm gonna say 200. I think it's gonna be pricey.
Whoa.
400 bucks?
Seriously?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Well, Andy was right. It's $399.
Oh.
$400?
Yeah, I don't think that I would be buying that for $400. I mean, the quality is a lot better. Like
I mean, it should be the same as the Instax. Actually, no, it's probably got better
look.
optics than the cheap Instax.
Look at that. And this one isn't even properly developed yet. You can see your crow's feet.
Hey, that turned out pretty well. I wouldn't pay $400 for it, but the optics are definitely better. It's got lots of fun filters, and I guess it's the winner in terms of image quality because I didn't get to try the one I really wanted. Anyway, you might have noticed Yvonne is gone. That's because one of our kids got a nosebleed that wouldn't stop, so she had to leave. But if you want to see more of her, it's Yvonne Week on Floatplane. Our themed weeks basically take one person from the team or one theme, and we do a bunch of exclusives over at lmg.gg/floatplane. Yvonne's content includes a community Q&A video, decorating a Christmas tree with old tech, and Meet the Cats, where you get to meet all of our cats. You can watch it and our catalog of exclusives by going to lmg.gg/Yvonne24. All right, subscribe to ShortCircuit. See you later.